My name is Ben Chamberlain and I'm the co-founder and CEO of ReStore for Retail. It's an operational toolkit for retail operations, supporting thousands of stores across Australia, New Zealand, and now the US and Canada. We're so excited to be here at Future Stores Seattle. This is our very first conference that we've attended, and we're just thrilled with the attendance, with the energy, and with the connections that we've been able to make already in this short amount of time. You know, there is a huge amount of buzz around the ways in which we're going to support our employees out in stores, the way that we're going to support our customers to, in this context of omni-channel, where really the complexity with which we're needing to think about problem solving is getting greater and greater. And it's so exciting to see so many different parts of the retail community coming together to try and solve these problems. We're needing to find ways to do more with less. Not just from a cost efficiency standpoint, but just from a practical standpoint of not being able to access the labor that we need and want within our store environments. Online retailing is, of course, the thing that we are all so super excited about. We can't ignore our stores. And the challenge that we have is how do we make better decisions to support those stores and the people that work within those as we continue to mount more and more upon those stores. We have to be mindful of the issues that it's presenting for the store associates, and especially in the context of maintaining and supporting those store teams. How do we actually deliver in solutions that are going to make their lives easier? Because if we can do that, then we're a chance to actually support and retain and sustain retail in this market. ReStore for Retail is all about optimizing your store network through operational standards and visual merchandising. The challenge is that we have a lot of different parts of our organizations that are trying to get in and influence what's going on in those stores. We need to be thinking about the role of cloud-based technology to actually bring these things together into an environment that not only improves the experience for those store associates, but allows us to do a lot more with the data. For 20+ years, we've been working with retailers in a very specific niche way. For us, this is about innovating off of that core business and thinking about how else can we support the retail community. We believe that the retail stores are part of the fabric of our society, and we think that by improving the quality of data that we can bring out of those stores, by thinking about information in a different way, can actually engage and support and empower store teams more, and can allow us to make better decisions that are going to allow for the survival and the strengthening of retail stores.